Good day everyone, this is our latest video update on Tropical Storm Khanun, which is the 8th tropical depression and the 7th tropical storm to form in the western Pacific. Today is July 16, 2012, and this is our latest afternoon update on this storm. It's last located approximately 780 kilometers east-southeast of Okinawa, the Ryukyus. Here you can see Amami Island over here. Okinawa is situated just to the southwest of that island. You can see also maximum sustained winds are just about minimal tropical storm strength around 65 kph with gusts of up to 90 kph. Please do know that this winds are from JMA, which is the official forecasting agency in the Western Pacific. JTWC on the other hand is keeping this system as a tropical depression. The tropical storm Khanun is moving west-northwestward at 30 kilometers per hour and is forecast to impact the Japanese islands in less than 48 hours from now. Looking at the latest satellite image here, you can see the infrared imagery. A very compact system, very small system, roughly around 200 to 300 kilometers in diameter, and very also you can see the prominent central convection right over the low-level circulation center, although it's not really that strong as indicated here in the latest microwave imagery taken just an hour ago. And you can see the dark blue indicate the low-level banding again surrounding that low-level circulation center. You can see here the greens and the yellows indicate the mid to upper level activity, and very small and very weak convective activity near the center of the storm compared to last night actually and this morning, again, which is partly due to that diurnal maximum experienced by tropical cyclones. We expect some strengthening as it moves west-northwestward. Sea surface temperatures are still warm, around 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. Wind shear around weak to moderate, 10 to 15 knots, so not really going to be a problem. Also, the system is exhibiting good outflow, so there's no reason it would intensify. But in terms of the strength, not really expecting typhoon here. It is a very fast mover, again moving at 30 kilometers per hour, so hitting the Japanese islands in less than 48 hours and moving into much cooler waters in the next 2 days, so probably peaking at around 75 to 80 kilometers per hour, and that's about it. You see here in JTWC's latest forecast, again showing that west-northwestward track passing well to the northeast of Okinawa, around 135 nautical miles away from the island, and moving in forecast to turn to the northwest and eventually to the north in response to the subtropical ridge situated here in Japan, so avoiding the mainland Japan, but is forecast to make landfall here in South Korea as a minimal. It's a very weak tropical storm at 65 kph by Wednesday afternoon Korean time, and again eventually dissipating as it moves over the Korean peninsula. JMA's track is positioned slightly to the west compared to JTWC's track. Again, still expecting this system to pass very closely across Amami Island by later tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, and then moving into the Korean peninsula as well. But as you can see here, skirting the the west coast of South Korea, and also probably going to be making landfall as well across the this time North Korean seaboard. But again, by that time, expect the system to be start weakening as it encounters that cooler waters here in the Yellow Sea. So not really much intensification expected, but still to be seeing some rains and strong winds and rough waves across the Japanese islands and eventually into the Korean peninsula, both South and North Korea. And that concludes our update for today. Make sure to check out these sites, especially JMA for those of you living in Japan, and also eventually for those of you in Korea to start monitoring as well KMA, Korean Meteorological Agency, for the latest updates and forecasts for your area. Keep checking our blogs as well for the latest updates on the storm, and also the whole weather in the Western Pacific. Stay safe out there. Bye.